Gi, open.
Ako agad.
Gi, open. Ay, yeah. Hala, uy! Gi, arrange na nako, dudong. Sige. Nani number 1? Ay, no, ayaw. Bilisan ng letter.
Okay.
Sige. Tarong na.
Ay.
Hala, bali! Huwag ka niya. Sige. Diri, dudong.
Okay. Ay. Happy 17th.
Sige, basa na.
Happy 17th birthday, sweetheart. We have
Hala, don't read it out loud. I'm shy. Stop it. Post. Ayan lang. Hala, fun eh.
Wala man. Blush ako.
Keep going.
Nagkaunog.
Yes. Hello. Wala rin na. Anak. Napal na. Hello. Ikaw mo na yung magipalit. Bubugang. Makaunday ka na. Ilawa ha. Nismal siya. Isa, nanay magic. Tagana.
Iyana na ako na yung pop-up.
Dili, naka-i-pull nila nga paper. Dili! Don't break it. Naka-paan na.
How?
Dili nga paper.
Oh.
Imo i-open.
Ah.
Na naka-i-pull. Dili. No.
Kani.
No. Anaon ba? Hala, ayaw lang siya. Dili, guniton.
Ay!
Hala ha. Wait. So, tomate.
Na-ruin
Dili.
ang kuan.
Sige. I-pull. Hala! Sige. Oh, you found a secret message.
We will now be bound to each other forever.
Tama na?
Cool.
Pull in die. You know, if I weren't here, you wouldn't find that out. Hakon na. Wow, so many.
Puna ko yung face card.
O sige, balik na.
Come
Tarungan
here.
na. Tarungan na.
Ay, sorry.
Di ka baw. Di ka baw. Di na ka baw.
Wait. Let me
Uh-huh.
figure that. Ana. Yes. And then you do this. Ooh!
Okay. Okay. No, di ko na
Dugon na
nasunod.
guilty.
It's fine. Okay, ang una. Hello.
A little something to start with, nothing more.
Wait.
Nothing less.
Tanong sa likod. Hiwan. O nga na, sige, abihi.
Also, kani, ari ayaw.
Ikaw. Would you keep the paper? You wouldn't? Nagtanaw na lang ito mong brother na to pag-kiss. Tagal na rin sa'yo. Ipiyo nga mong mata. Sige na ba? Ooh, it's a
Ano yung
highlighter.
piyo?
Sige, open na. Open na lang daw.
Highlighter ni.
Yes. Because I thought
Yeah,
you'd
needed-
need.
needed
Yeah,
pen,
you do know.
Thank you.
I know, right? Thank you. Welcome, welcome.
Para di ma-destroy ang paper.
I know, right? I'm so good at wrapping.
Mo gani, walay wrinkles dyan.
Thank you, thank you.
Nag-watch ka tutorial ani.
No, I just know how to wrap it.
I need tips kay bati kay kung mag-wrap sad. Thank you.
Yeah. Second.
2.
Basa ang message!
Ay,
Sige, go.
something meant only for you and me.
Yee. Hello. Hello, be careful. Dapat na siya English.
Yo.
Ay. Geng-geng na kayo mong manghod. Di ka mo bless. Hala ha.
Bless ate ka.
Hmm? Nasa diri usa. Busy kayo. Ayaw italikod kay makita nimo. Kanara na itir lang na. That's fine by me. Ayaw italikod kay makita. Hello ba? Sige, open na na.
Notebook.
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
It's just not a notebook.
What is?
I open.
Drawing book.
No.
Sketchbook. Diary katungkuan.
Yes.
That we agreed on.
Okay, open. That's the one nilabot. Hala. First page dodong.
Sorry, Kelly.
It's okay. So na, oy. I don't think. Sige. Yee.
Communication at work.
Don't read it aloud.
Will be communication.
Don't read it aloud. Nagmukbang ang usay. Sigon?
3. Dugon na eh. Guilty na eh.
Tanaw mo sa likod.
A space waiting to be filled. Oh.
Hala, dirty minded. O sige, abrihido daw. May happy birthday na kasi mong kuya. Very good. Good boy, day ka? Are you good boy? Hala, mauwaw na. Oh my God. That's fine. But I would be hurt if you mo ilaban message.
I wouldn't.
It's fine if you tear that off. I promise.
Sure.
Yes, accept the message.
It's risky.
I mean, if you want to throw it away, that's
No.
fine.
Wasted an option.
Do you want me to buy you a trash can, Sab?
Di na ko yun.
Ayaw, hikapa. Ayaw, hikapa. Diretso na na. Diretso na na. Tier. Wrong. Diri. Kilid.
Ay.
Wala.
Yan.
Go. Shy pa jud ni siya, uy.
Because I'm shy today. Sketchpad.
Yes, because you said nga nahurot na imuhang sketchpad.
Yeah, good. Now, kanina na ko i-feel like kanang real art kaysa mga doodles.
Mhm.
Shine bright like a diamond. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Welcome.
What's your message?
Oh, Lord. Napao? Sige, next one.
Next one, number 4. Ooh. Something you never really have. Ano to, you can afford them. Like, you can afford presents. Oh, like.
It's a surprise. Why would I tell you? It's a surprise, man. I spent, well, I'm not gonna tell you how much I spent. Keep going.
Pina.
Secret. Sige na, laksiya lang na. It's really okay, I promise. Lagi, go. Shy, uy.
Okay.
It's fine, lagi. Yeah, sama na.
Sani.
Sama na.
Sani.
It's something you never really have. Laksiya, laksiya. Kapil ka na. Sama na. Sige. Hala, get scissors, please. Wala ra kay cutter?
No.
Oh, ganito to. Nasiyo sa diri ay. Sige.
Are you jealous? Palitan natin karap eh. See, I knew it.
Nakakita ka na sa mga For You page, no?
Yeah. Ay, wala.
Wala tayo. Remember the time I asked you if
Yeah.
you prefer colored
Yeah.
pencils?
I was like guessing maugro ni Iku. Thank you.
Mapalas.
Do I open
It's
it?
72 kabuok. All pencils.
I'm so
Last
guilty.
one. Wait!